Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail practice fingers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Deciniee Nail Practice Finger Set. The Deciniee Practice Nail Fingers Set is an ideal choice for those starting their nail art journey. It includes 3 adjustable practice fingers and a sturdy base, allowing you to practice easily. The flexible design ensures that you can manipulate the fingers without hassle, making it user-friendly. Additionally, the set comes with 100 replacement brown nail tips, providing a long-lasting solution for your practice needs. This affordable kit is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to refine their skills, whether at home or in a professional setting. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BORNBYME Acrylic Nail Practice Kit. The BORNBYME Nail Practice Kit is designed for those eager to enhance their manicure skills. It features 3 flexible fingers that mimic real hands, allowing you to practice nail art effortlessly. The kit includes a sturdy base and 100 brown nail tips, making it easy to replace and reuse for continuous learning. Its high-quality ABS material ensures durability and safety, while the non-slip base keeps your practice stable. This kit is perfect for beginners, whether you're self-taught or training as a junior nail technician, offering a cost-effective way to develop your skills. At number 3, we have the Practice Finger Nail Art by Unique to You. The Unique to You practice fingers are designed for nail art enthusiasts and professionals alike. Made from high-quality plastic, these durable fingers can withstand daily use, allowing you to practice nail designs without worry. With a pack of 10, you have plenty of fingers for both training and replacement purposes, and you can easily paint directly on them without needing extra tips. Their portable nature means you can take them anywhere, while the sticky base ensures they stay in place, making it easier for you to work on real clients or during practice sessions. At number 2, we have the LIONVISON Practice Fingers Hand Acrylic Nail Set. The LIONVISON nail practice fingers are designed to make your nail training smooth and effective. Thanks to the upgraded T-slot anti-slip design, you won't have to worry about nail tips falling off, even when using a high-speed electric drill. This means you can focus more on perfecting your nail art without interruptions. The set includes 3 sturdy fake acrylic fingers, a stable base, and 100 nail tips, offering great value for beginners and learners. Made from durable plastic, these practice fingers are built to last through many sessions. Plus, their compact size makes them easy to carry and store, so you can practice anywhere with ease. And finally, at number 1, we have the Deciniee Adjustable Practice Finger Kit with Acrylic Nail Tips. The Deciniee Nail Practice Kit is perfect for beginners looking to improve their nail art skills without spending a lot. It comes with a reusable finger, a stable base, and around 100 clear nail tips, so you can practice many times and replace parts as needed. The finger and base are made from durable materials with flexible joints, making it easy to move and position while you work. The silicone pad on the base keeps the finger steady on your table, giving you a smooth, hands-free practice experience. This kit is a budget-friendly and convenient tool for anyone starting out or training in nail art. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.